Macro Recorder can perform calculations with your variables. Let us show you an example. Here we have an image and you can count the elephants. Right. Memorize this. Now we let Macro Recorder look at the picture and calculate the total weight of the elephants, assuming that one elephant weighs 5 tons and we add some safety margin to it. Okay, let's run the macro. Macro Recorder is analyzing the picture, then performing the calculation and showing the total weight in a message box. Cool. Now let's look how this is done with Macro Recorder and the calculation function. Okay, this is what we prepared. The first action defines the variable elephant weight average with the value 5 for 5 tons. Then we perform an image analysis. So we load an image file, send a prompt to the AI, and the reply of the AI shall be the number of elephants, and we store that in the variable number of elephants. Now we have the calculate expression action. To use variables in the expression, right-click, go to variables, and then select the desired variable. For example, we start with the elephant weight average. Then you can type an operator. In our example, we multiply the average weight with the number of elephants. So we right-click again, select variables, and select number of elephants. This is a variable which has been filled by the AI action. And then we add a static safety margin of 1.2. The result of this equation shall be stored in the variable elephant weight total. And then we had prepared a message box action which shows static text along with the variable. That's it.